we're still going to be working on rectangular prisms and the volume of it. This is a little differently. It has the dimensions for you. Remember how to figure out volume. You have two formulas. You can either do base times height equals volume, or length times width times height equals volume. First one's pretty straightforward. It's just look at the measurements of the dimensions of the boxes and figure out the problem. Then they're going to try and get a little trickier. They put two rectangular prisms together. That's not going to fool you. You're just going to make one rectangular prism out of one and another rectangular prism. You're going to figure the length and the width and the height. You're going to multiply those all together. You're going to come up with an answer. Then you're going to do the other rectangular prism, same thing, come up with an answer, and you would put them together and you would figure out what the volume of that structure is. Over here, they give you a lot of dimensions on here. Don't let it fool you. Just, once again, make a rectangular prism. Decide which dimensions really go with this rectangular prism. If you look, this would be not 20 because we're not doing the whole thing. We're going down here to 10 wide, 12 feet high. And how wide is it? Or what's the length? 3 feet. Do the same thing over here. Add them together. We have some really different ones that you're going to work on. Some real life ones. A refrigerator, you really want to know what the cubic volume is because you want to know how much food are you really going to be able to get into that refrigerator and is it what your family is going to need. We've got this one. This house is probably the trickiest. When we built our house, we needed to know the volume of our house, how many cubic feet was going to be in it. So once again, talk with your partner, decide which of all these dimensions you need to figure out. Once again, put them into sections. Then I would like you to go to your binder and do pages 19A, 19B, 19C, and 19D. This is one I would like you to work with your partner, do some discussion, see what they think, see what you think, and then go together and do the problem.